Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before I get started, please like and subscribe. I appreciate all the support and love. Thanks. So let's get started with today's news. We had the markets. There was a massive reversal. We had the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, and the Dow all closed in the red, but the Russell continues to outperform. A lot of people are still piling into that momentum trade, and small caps are leading the way. We looked at bonds. The 10-year yield reversed and started heading higher. Um, the bond market was selling off. So, that's something, it's basically a continuation of the trend that it was on. Yesterday we had a bounce where yields started going down, but now it looks like it's reversing, going back up. But we'll keep an eye on that 10-year yield. And the dollar was lower today, which was good for the stock market for most of the day until the reversal. And later in the day, we heard from Jerome Powell. Nothing new came from Jerome Powell except reiteration of Fed policy that they don't plan on raising interest rates anytime soon, and they're committed to getting that 2% inflation target. And, one of the questions that somebody would ask Jerome Powell, if you're one of the 965,000 people that filed for initial jobless claims, how is more inflation helping you? That's the one thing the Fed never ever talks about. Like, hey, you want this magical 2% or more inflation. How the hell does that help the person struggling? It doesn't. So, yeah, so we got basically more Fed speak from Powell and some of the other presidents, basically reiterating the same thing. No increases in rates anytime soon, committed to 2% plus inflation. And one day they will get that. And I think they'll get that rise in inflation way sooner than they think. But we'll see. And then the markets basically were getting ready to hear from Joe Biden. Joe Biden plans to give a speech later on in the evening about what his his stimulus plan is going to be moving forward and what he plans on doing for the economy. Again, I don't think this is going to be a breaking news, but yeah, he plans on spending trillions of dollars. So that shouldn't be breaking news to anybody. We're likely going to get another round of stimulus checks, maybe 2,000, and that's pretty much it. Maybe some infrastructure spending, things like that, but it shouldn't be any breaking news for anyone that's been following this. And still monitoring Bitcoin. Bitcoin's around 39,000-ish, struggling to break above that 40K, but in due time, Bitcoin will break above that 40K, and in my opinion, is going to go a lot higher. And that's just going to be a quick recap of today's news. And again, the number one thing that came out, the economic data was terrible. The 965,000 people that filed for initial jobless claims, that's an epic disaster. But again, the worse the economy gets, the higher the stock market goes. So that's just a few things to discuss over. Definitely like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks.